What's good, everybody? My name is Phatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the new FL Studio 20.9 beta. Now, if you want to get on this beta, you can go ahead and download the beta program, which I'm going to link in the description. It's on the ImageLine forums. You can download it and test out some of the new features that FL Studio will be bringing in the next update. Now, one of those is the vintage chorus effect, and I just wanted to make a video on this because this shit is so fucking dope. All right, now the vintage chorus is modeled and inspired off of the Roland's Juno 6's Bucket Brigade Delay chorus. I don't know if I butchered that or not, but I do know it has that warmth of a old, kind of analog equipment, which is really dope. I have this piano loop here. I'm about to play. It's just in FL keys. All right, this is what the loop sounds without the vintage chorus on. Now we're going to put it on, and you can really hear the warmth and just mega dopeness that this effect brings. Just really gives it a nice chorusy, really warm kind of vibe, something that you would get off of an analog piece of equipment. I just think it's super dope. If you're trying to test this effect yourself, like I said, you can download the beta with the link in the description, but be careful, it is a beta. Some things might not work. They did other stuff. They added something called the pitch shifter, which you have to have the all plugins edition to use, and they did some, tweaks here and there with stuff, but really, my favorite thing that they added is this vintage chorus. The pitch shifter we're going to cover in another video. This vintage chorus really can get that sauce, and you can put it on anything. I just put it on these keys just to mess around with it, but it's just an effect here. So really try to test it out and see what you can do with it. There's all sorts of different settings you can edit with here. If you want to see a more in-depth video on this, let me know, and I can do one of those. Actually, I'm probably going to later this week, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, super dope. I just wanted to make a quick video on this. Check out the FL Studio 20.9 beta. Link is in the description once again. But yeah, if this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.